Every single breath you take keeps you alive. But pollution, smoking, dust, and even poor eating habits can put extra stress on your lungs. The good news? While no food can magically clean your lungs, certain nutrient-rich foods may help support lung health, reduce inflammation, and protect your lungs from everyday damage. Today, Smart Life Health brings you 7 amazing foods that may help your lungs stay healthier, naturally. Let's get started. Garlic contains a natural compound called allicin, known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Some studies suggest that garlic may help reduce inflammation in the body and support a healthy immune system, which is important for protecting your lungs. Adding fresh garlic to soups, salads, or cooked meals is an easy way to enjoy its benefits. Ginger has long been used as a natural remedy because it contains powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. It may help soothe irritated airways and support normal breathing. A warm cup of ginger tea or fresh ginger in your meals can be a comforting daily habit. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, an important antioxidant that helps support your immune system. A stronger immune system may help your body better defend itself against respiratory infections. Start your day with lemon water or add fresh lemon juice to your favorite dishes. Apples are rich in flavonoids and antioxidants, nutrients that help protect cells from oxidative stress. Research has linked higher fruit intake, including apples, with better lung function over time. Remember the old saying, an apple a day may help keep the doctor away. Another powerful food is turmeric. Its active compound, curcumin, has been widely studied for its anti-inflammatory effects. Although more research is still needed, turmeric may support overall health by helping reduce chronic inflammation. Try adding turmeric to soups, curries, or warm milk. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are nutritional superstars. They're rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and plant compounds that support overall health. Eating more green vegetables may help reduce oxidative stress and provide nutrients your lungs need to function well. Finally, we have berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are loaded with antioxidants called anthocyanins. These colorful compounds help protect your body's cells from free radical damage. Adding a handful of berries to breakfast or snacks is a delicious way to support your overall health. So, can these foods magically clean your lungs? Not exactly. But combined with a healthy lifestyle, they may help support normal lung function and overall respiratory health. For even healthier lungs, avoid smoking, stay physically active, drink enough water, limit exposure to air pollution whenever possible. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Small daily choices can make a big difference over time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who cares about their health. Which of these foods do you eat most often? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Smart Life Health, where better health starts with smarter choices. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.